Hello everyone, my name is Marcus and I'm a designer based in London. This is a video where I start a poster design from scratch while sharing my software techniques and creative and design process. So if you are looking to learn not only how, but the why in graphic design, I think you're going to enjoy it. So let's start. Sorry for this first minute, just me mumbling. And let's start with some nice Illustrator file here. Sorry, I'll probably be coughing during the video. So if you can't bear people coughing, it's just don't watch this. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna just start creating a grid, just creating a 10 by 10, just for proportions and help me with my design today. Gonna make the grid the same size of my artboard, something like this. Gonna press Command 5, make it guides, and I'm gonna just start creating a nice rectangle here. Something like this, and I'm gonna already get some colors here, such as in library. I'm gonna still using impressive colors. Really like this color set from Illustrator. Just trying to make it a little bit larger so I can see the colors. And I'm so sorry. I'm just I wasn't going to actually record this tutorial this video today because I don't feel well still, but I think if it goes longer than already been 10 days, I don't think it's I will probably break the habit and then it will be much harder to come back. So that's why I'm just here today. Just to do the video. Just applying some gradients now. Of course, I'm applying some gradients. People will complain about my gradients, but I love gradients as I told before. Just gonna apply this one here. Maybe I'm gonna make nice green one here. Let's just turn the guides on and off. Nice, I already like this. Let's just make a few more rectangles here. Why not, I'm just trying to use a simple shape today so I can actually make something in the time we have. Just maybe change this gradient a little bit, maybe choose another color. Something to contrast a little bit with the colors before. Yeah, something like this. My throat is actually itching now and it's horrible because it's that sensation of I want to cough, but I want my microphone in front of me. Don't really want to. So yeah, it's something not very nice for sure. I think I have a stroke on this thing. Let's just take the stroke out. Perfect. And yeah, I think I really wanted a really simple composition today. I'm just not trying to win an Oscar for best poster today. And let's just try to record the video and make something cool and share with you and actually give you some news because it's been 10 days. 10 days went really fast. I wasn't expecting it went so fast. Maybe I will make this go and then no, I will make that and then I'll push this backwards. I leave it there. I'm gonna center this in the page. This. Going to make a new rectangle here. Gonna probably make it this. I'm really curious. Some people actually do this one day, everyday designs and posters and actual art every day. And what happens when they get sick? How do they manage to do it? It's just I don't know how. It's been really hard for me even just get up in the morning, and just start my day. And because I'm sorry, just zoom in and out. Because I'm a freelancer and we don't take sick days. I had stuff to deliver and I've been working really hard still, even when the cold. That's why by the end of the day I don't have any energy to spend actually recording a YouTube video. Just sipping some water. And I'm actually really curious about how people actually manage to keep that going for years. Michael, the NFT dude now, he went 15 years of doing art every day, and that's just amazing. He deserves all the things he is having now because it's really hard to imagine doing that. So let's just make a few copy of this one here. Gonna make a nice 3D effect, some sort like this. And maybe I will just change this gradient as well. Maybe something more like just using all the colors. This is not good design. Just limit yourself in the colors, but this is just fun. So I don't really care like how many colors I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use them. And I'm gonna do the same thing for here. I just wanted to do something random and with you and just like, maybe it will be ugly in the end. Maybe not. I really don't have much expectations today. I'm just trying not to make lots of noises in my microphone, so we don't need to suffer with me. Yeah, let's just add some copy, maybe like some text here. I think yeah, it has a line. Yeah. So I'm with a cold, so I'm gonna just write cold so I can remember this in the future. When I write cold, yes, please scale, and I'm gonna use like a nice font. I'm just trying to remember fonts, and it's really Gotham is always a nice one, but I want something more condensed, like something because I have so many fonts by now. I don't really know which one to use now, and just need like to find something that speaks to me a little bit. I'm just trying to find monument would be nice. Cold, cold, cold. Yeah, let's just make a nice type composition with this. We don't want just to be like. Actually, I like it like this, but maybe I will just maybe make it white or something. Yeah, like it feels like gold for some reason, but it's not. Okay. And I'm going to make a little bit more details just in this side with like some like solid colors here because I'm trying to go like the contrast, like some solid colors happening there, which is cool. Something more like this, and then just trying to randomize a little bit. Just scale this up, change a new color, something pretty random. Of course, this is gonna be people saying I don't know how to design for sure. There was a guy, I think I told already. I said like I should learn design first before teaching design. I didn't want to say anything to him, but like I felt like, wow, okay. People don't need to be mean. Like I'm just trying to do something for the community and for myself as well. This is really really cool. It's really challenging, and I learn a lot when I'm doing this on the pressure of trying to make a nice video and also make something entertaining for you. And not I don't know. I don't think people should be mean to each other when like they are actually starting something, because you're never good at when you're starting. So why be mean? Oh well, we already talked about this before. I'm just trying to make an L here. I want to make a nice composition. Something like this. I'm also planning to do like some After Effects tutorials, something like more specific, not so random like these ones. I want to, because I'm also an animator, and I really want to show some like nice ways to do some cool effects on After Effects. And yeah, I will look forward to doing it as soon as I'm better. And almost coughed again. But this is a nice exercise. Try not to. Okay, I think I'm gonna lose it. No. And then oh no, my timer. Okay, I just tried to put a timer today so I don't spend like 3 hours here talking to you, like taking your time too much and not doing like a good enough posture for your time. But yeah, I think this is it. I will leave it like this, and I will just select it, group it, scale it down a little bit, 90%, then make it like darker background here, just so it looks nice. I'm not sure about these new letters I added, so I'm probably gonna delete them just for time's sake, and I'm going to probably select this one here and just scale it down. It's taking too much space. Maybe some, even like put it in here. And yeah, pretty happy about it. And let's just want to increase the kerning a little bit on this one here. And then we're done, okay? And then you can even just leave now if you want. And then yeah, this is it. We'll just, oh my god, my noise layer, of course. Go to effects and what is the noise one? Texture, grain. And of course I have my grain is already set it here. Going to apply green. Sorry, if my cold is actually taking my brain away as well. And yeah, this is it. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it till the end, please, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe. I'll be trying to do these videos every day. I want to do like this exercise with myself, designing something under pressure and sharing how I do it, and like sharing my thinking process, and also having like this nice conversation with you if you like want to listen to someone designing, and also I've like sharing a little bit of my day maybe. Yeah, thank you so much for being here today. Please subscribe, like the video, leave on a comment if you like this poster, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.